All right, let's be real for a second. TVs have gotten insanely good in the last 5 years. But if you've ever tried watching a blockbuster movie or playing a next-gen game on a giant 100-inch plus screen, you already know no TV can truly match the sheer scale and cinematic feel of a great projector. And yet, for the longest time, projectors were a compromise. Dim images, washed-out colors, clunky setups, noisy fans. But fast forward to 2025, and we're finally at a point where projectors aren't just a second-choice alternative. They're a genuine upgrade for home cinema. Today, we're breaking down the very best projectors launched in late 2025 and 2026 across the US, UK, EU, and Canadian markets. We'll cover the flagship models like the JMGO N1S Ultra 4K, Nebula Cosmos 4K SE, XGIMI Horizon Ultra, Valerion StreamMaster Plus 2, and new releases from Epson, Hisense, and Soundcore. And instead of just reading spec sheets, we're digging into the real differences that matter. Brightness you can actually see in a daylight room, sound that fills your living space without an external system, and features like automatic keystone correction that can make or break the experience. At the end of each product breakdown, I'll give you a buy, maybe, or don't buy verdict chart so you know exactly where each one stands. Let's dive in. First up, the JMGO N1S Ultra 4K. This projector has been getting a lot of buzz because of its gimbal-style design and its impressive triple laser light source. On paper, we're looking at a full 4K resolution with HDR10 Plus support, around 3,000 lumens of peak brightness, and coverage of almost the full Rec. 2020 color gamut. That means you're not just getting a bright image, but one with deep saturation and incredible vibrancy. The form factor is sleek, and the auto keystone and focus correction mean you can literally plop it down, point it at a wall, and get a perfect rectangle without fiddling. Real-world performance shows that it handles both dim, theater-like rooms and brighter spaces surprisingly well. The built-in audio, tuned with Dynaudio, is better than you'd expect from a portable chassis, though still not a replacement for a dedicated surround system. Pricing comes in around $2,300 in US and EU markets, putting it firmly in premium territory. Verdict chart for the JMGO N1S Ultra 4K? Buy if you want cutting-edge laser tech, incredible portability, and reference-level colors. Maybe if you're on a stricter budget. Don't buy if you mainly watch in daylight and need the absolute brightest projection. Next, the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE. This one sits in an interesting space because Anker's Nebula brand has been building a strong reputation for compact, consumer-friendly projectors. The Cosmos 4K SE is a home-focused projector offering solid LED-based brightness, around 1,500 ANSI lumens, and a 4K image with HDR10. While it's not as searingly bright as laser competitors, it balances with excellent portability, quiet operation, and an integrated Android TV system that makes it plug and play. You get Netflix, Prime, YouTube, all without a separate sticker box. The sound comes from a dual-speaker array tuned by Nebula's engineers, and while not room-shaking, it's clean and serviceable for small to medium rooms. Price is far more approachable at around $999, making it a value-driven option in the 4K space. Real-world users love the ease of setup and streaming, though some note that HDR can feel a bit flat compared to pricier laser models. Verdict chart: buy if you want a no-hassle under 1,000 4K projector for home streaming. Maybe if you're a gamer looking for ultra-low latency. Don't buy if your room demands ultra-high brightness or you're chasing a true cinematic color profile. Moving on, the XGIMI Horizon Ultra. XGIMI has been quietly but consistently pushing boundaries in the projector space. And the Horizon Ultra is their 2024 flagship that introduced Dolby Vision, a huge deal in the projector world. We're talking about a hybrid laser LED light source capable of around 2,300 lumens, 4K resolution, Dolby Vision HDR, and smart auto calibration features. The software experience is among the smoothest thanks to Android TV 11, and auto keystone correction works fast. In real use, Dolby Vision content looks better than most projectors in this price range, with brighter highlights and smoother tone mapping. The built-in Harman Kardon audio system is easily among the best stock speakers in any projector right now. Pricing is around $1,700 to $1,800, making it a strong mid-premium competitor. Verdict chart: buy if you want Dolby Vision and an all-rounder with superb audio. Maybe if you don't watch a lot of HDR content. Don't buy if you're on a tight budget. The Horizon Ultra is great, but not cheap. Now the Valerion StreamMaster Plus 2. This is a lesser-known brand, but its 2025 release has been making waves for delivering serious specs at a more aggressive price. With 4K resolution, a laser light source rated for around 2,200 lumens, and Dolby Atmos pass-through, it's built for the enthusiast who wants more than the basics. The design is slightly bulkier than some competitors, but it includes generous connectivity options and low-latency gaming mode. Audio isn't groundbreaking, but serviceable. Pricing comes in at roughly $1,200, making it a compelling choice in the mid-tier. Real-world feedback points to great sharpness and reliable brightness, though some note fan noise can be a little high in performance mode. Verdict chart: buy if you're seeking value laser performance with Atmos support. Maybe if you want absolute silence in your setup. Don't buy if brand reputation and long-term support are deal breakers for you. Let's shift to Epson. Their Epic Vision Q series projectors, like the Q500 and Q700, launched in late 2024 and are designed for the premium home theater market. Epson is doubling down on 3LCD technology, which avoids rainbow effects common in single-chip DLP models. Brightness ranges from 3,000 to 3,200 lumens, depending on the model, which is plenty for even semi-lit rooms. Resolution is true 4K with HDR10+, and Epson's image processing has long been praised for natural motion and sharpness. The Q700 in particular adds HDMI 2.1 ports for gaming with low input lag. Price lands around $2,000 to $2,300 depending on spec. Real-world tests show consistently bright, accurate colors, though black levels don't reach the depth of premium lasers. Verdict chart: buy if you want Epson's reliability, strong brightness, and LCD sharpness. Maybe if you want true OLED-like blacks. Don't buy if you're on a strict budget or want something ultra-portable. Hisense has also entered 2025 with updates to its PX1 Pro successor, the PT1. This is an ultra-short throw laser projector that can sit inches from your wall or screen and still project up to 120 inches. Brightness is around 2,500 lumens, with 4K resolution, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The triple laser light engine delivers phenomenal color coverage, making it one of the most vibrant projectors on the market. Audio, powered by Dolby Atmos, is surprisingly immersive for an all-in-one system. Price comes in around $2,800, which is premium, but considering it can replace a giant OLED TV at half the cost, it's compelling. Real users praise the color vibrancy and UST convenience, though some note that you'll want a proper ALR screen to get the best results. Verdict chart: buy if you want a TV replacement with ultra short throw convenience. Maybe if you don't want to fuss with special screens. Don't buy if your budget is under $2,000. And finally, the Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro. Yes, Soundcore, the same company better known for earbuds and speakers, has been stepping into projectors. The X1 Pro is a portable 1080p projector with HDR support, designed for casual home and outdoor use. Brightness is more modest at around 800 ANSI lumens, but for its portable size, it's impressive. Built-in Android TV ensures a smooth streaming experience, and the dual AW speakers deliver surprisingly full sound. At around $499, it's not trying to compete with the high-end models we just covered. But instead, it fills the niche for people who want a simple, compact projector for backyard movie nights or small apartments. Verdict chart: buy if you want portability and solid features at a low cost. Maybe if you plan to use it outdoors frequently. Don't buy if you want serious cinematic performance. Now let's step back for a second. Why would you pick a projector in 2025 over a massive OLED or QLED TV? The answer comes down to immersion. A 120-inch screen isn't just bigger, it changes the way you experience content. Watching a football match, it feels like you're inside the stadium. Playing a game, the scale makes even familiar titles feel brand new. And the reality is, most of these projectors now come with built-in smart systems, solid speakers, and setup that takes minutes. The old excuses of washed-out colors, constant calibration, and clunky operation just don't hold up anymore. So which projector should you actually buy? If you want bleeding-edge design and color, the JMGO N1S Ultra is for you. If you want a budget-friendly home theater with no fuss, go with the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE. If Dolby Vision is your priority, the XGIMI Horizon Ultra nails it. The Valerian StreamMaster Plus 2 gives you serious laser performance at mid-tier pricing. Epson's Q series is your go-to for reliability and brightness. Hisense's PT1 is the best ultra-short throw TV replacement. And for casual or portable needs, Soundcore's X1 Pro gets the job done. Before we close, here's the big question. Which of these would you actually put in your living room? Drop your pick in the comments because this debate isn't just about specs. It's about how you actually want to experience your favorite content. And remember, bigger isn't always better. but in the case of projectors in 2025, it just might be.